A Cockapoo is a designer dog. It is the cross of an American Cocker Spaniel or English Cocker Spaniel and a poodle. History: A Cockapoo can be the result of mating either the American Cocker Spaniel or English Cocker Spaniel with a poodle. They have been known in the United States since the 1950s. Purebred breed associations such as the Kennel Club, the American Kennel Club, the United Kennel Club, or the Canadian Kennel Club, do not recognize the Cockapoo. Due to their fashionable status, Cockapoos are one of the mixed-breed dogs most susceptible to be bred by puppy farms or unscrupulous amateur breeders looking to maximize profit. Potential owners should carefully research where they are purchasing their puppy from in order not to support this industry. Health: Overall, Cockapoos are usually healthy and happy dogs. Mixed-breed dogs are affected by genetic diseases equally as much as pedigreed dogs. Together with other designer breeds like Labradoodles, PRA is present in Cockapoos. As with a lot of smaller dogs, they tend to be quite long-lived, and it's not unusual for Cockapoos to live to 15 years or more. However, both purebred poodles and Cocker Spaniels can suffer from luxating patellas, and this can be passed on to their offspring. For this reason, an OFA exam is recommended to check for this problem before dogs are bred. Purebred poodles and Cocker Spaniels can also suffer from a number of eye disorders, including progressive retinal atrophy. A CERF exam and DNA test for PRA should therefore be performed before breeding. Like many floppy-eared breeds, Cockapoos can be subject to ear infections, and it's important to keep their ears clean and dry. Characteristics: Cockapoos have become popular because they generally combine the outgoing, loving personality of the Cocker Spaniel with the low-shedding, low-dander qualities of the poodle. Cockapoos are active, and thrive when they receive regular exercise. Cockapoos can be very agile, excelling at retrieve games and enjoying activities such as swimming. Cockapoos are frequently very needy dogs and as such are not suitable to be left alone for long periods as they frequently suffer from separation distress or anxiety. The Cockapoo is a crossbreed, not a purebred, and does not breed true. In breeders' terms, breeding true means that the pups will have consistently predictable characteristics. Cockapoos, however, may inherit the characteristics of either or both their parent breeds. While some Cockapoos appear more similar to Cocker Spaniels, others will exhibit more poodle traits, creating a variation in Cockapoo appearance and temperament. Cockapoos also vary in color. Black, tan, beige, or buff, red, including auburn and apricot colors, brown, varying from light to dark, sable, a brown color with tipping and shading in black, cream, white, silver, brindle, roan, merle. Cockapoos can be one solid color or can have complex markings. They can be white with patches of any color. They can also have spots or freckles of color, called ticking. Cockapoos may also have a merle coat, where random portions are diluted to create a mottled appearance. The coat of the Cockapoo will vary from dog to dog. Most will have a coat somewhere between the Cocker Spaniel and a poodle. However, some will have a coat more similar to the sleeker coat of the Cocker Spaniel, while others may have a curlier coat like a poodle. Although their coat is usually low-shedding, it is fast-growing and requires frequent grooming in order to prevent matting, as the long, wavy coat will retain dirt and debris. Cockapoo's size and weight are a function of what type of dogs the parents were. Breeders usually use a toy or miniature poodle as the poodle parent. The following table describes the weights and heights of toy poodles, miniature poodles, Cocker Spaniels and Cockapoos, using AKC standards and other information. There are currently 3 Cockapoo clubs in America that are working towards developing the Cockapoo by breeding successive generations, and establishing it as a recognized breed. The Cockapoo Club of GB are looking to promote open and ethical breeding to protect the Cockapoo of tomorrow, today. They are pushing for a breeding standard over any breed standard. See also, crossbreed, designer crossbreed, list of dog hybrids, references. External links, Cockapoo at DMOZ.